Ta-da, ta-da. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I know it's not Christmas, but summer vacation, but just making the video for late Christmas. Man, it's great to get out of that present box with my truck on it that says a Christmas logo on me. Ah, yes, another year. It's great. Yeah, I know it's great. Very exciting. Hey Jeremy. Iceman said that he was gonna come very soon. Oh, great. Not you again. Oh, heck no. No, why you have to do this to us? We already dealt with him in the other videos. Why you have to keep him back here? Here. Oh, what's wrong? Now Christmas holiday for you? I swear, these talking cars have to... Well, these cars really have to go. Oh, well, wait, what's wrong? They were just excited. They just needed company, that's all. Oh, great. What's wrong? I bet you can't say your green brother, Green. I'm pretty sure he's smart too. I'm pretty sure he's smart too, to be honest with you. You're not funny at all. That is true, so I kind of agree with him. Oh, God, I hate you guys. And, come on, guys, it's Christmas. Cut it out. It's, well, not Christmas in this year, but the best moments of this, which was published in 2018. That's the worst part. They've been trying to mess with us and the train last year. You better be careful, Jeremy, because you don't want them pranking on you. I don't think they never pranked. Since when did they started pranking? I don't know. Definitely not when it was Christmas. Never started, I guess. But whatever, because this is going to be World War III with these idiots. Why you have to disrespect Christmas like this? This is not how the spirit goes. Oh, wait a second. Someone is in the door. I gotta go open it. Hello there! Remember me? Yeah, I remember you. Guess what's above my head? Not a missing toe, but a missing tape toe. Okay, that's pretty, I don't want to say this in a video, but I'm going to say it. That's pretty GAY when I'm seeing. Man, this car's so stupid. I bet he doesn't know how to learn the difference. I'm just saying, to be honest. I mean, I swear. You didn't see them just kissing in front of the door? And to be honest, I don't know if you noticed or not, but Jeremy, I don't know if you don't notice or not, but Iceman, to be honest, he doesn't have no face on him anymore. Like, didn't you, like, have a toy with yourself that went with a purple octopus? A monster octopus with one eye? Ever since we bought you for, like 9 years straight? Yeah, that's a long story. Alright, okay, well, oh God, someone's in the door. Ah! It's me, Dr. Chef Fail. I thought you were in jail. Oh God, not you again. Guess I have to deal with you. Ow, ow. Ouch, my apples. Don't. Oh well, here goes nothing. Hey, Jeremy. Go, Jeremy. Oh well, bye, Jeremy. How's this Merry Christmas? Hello. Hey. Watermelon, grape juice, cotton, fried chicken. Right, you three? What's going on here? Why, you son of a lightning McQueen? I swear, you should be kicked off. No one doesn't want to sit in the car anymore watching your movies that came out since 15 years. How's this for Christmas?